TTA Tutorials, how to step-by-step guide. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking onto this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cornrow your hair, or I'll actually be showing you guys a quick video on the most easiest way to cornrow your hair. If you guys would like a step-by-step video, please let me know. So here are the two oils that I used for my hair. I have made them both myself. As you guys can see, my edges are in work in progress, so I do apply certain oils on my edges that I have made, and if you guys want to see a video on that, please leave a comment below. And I do apply this hair mixture to my roots, so I do apply it to my hair follicles and stuff like that, but I do not apply it to my actual hair. I apply shea butter instead, and this is just pure shea butter. So I'm going in with the shea butter right now. And guys, the next clip you guys are about to see, I am not pulling my hair. It does not hurt. This is the most painful way, the most painless way to do your braids on your own self or someone else's hair. You will not feel a thing. And I want to show you guys, when you do braid this way, it's not pulling your hair, and it does make your hair so much neater in a way, unlike other hairs. You could even tell by my previous hair that I have done compared to this one how neat it is. I hope you guys could just see through the video. I'm not going to talk much now because the video is about to end, but I hope you guys got a sense of how to braid your hair in a way. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more videos. I will, however, upload a more detailed version of this video, probably a talk